Have you ever faced a dilemma with having busted up gaming laptops that have working internals? Well, I did, but here's where it gets exciting. My friend came up with a genius challenge. He challenged me to build a custom DIY gaming laptop from scratch using the working internals from my two gaming laptops. I looked him in the eyes and I said, you know what, bro? I said, challenge accepted. So follow along as I dive into this thrilling challenge of building a DIY gaming laptop from scratch. Hit that like button and buckle up because the journey starts now. I have two busted up gaming laptops that have perfectly working internals. The only issue with them is the exteriors are all busted up and some of the exterior trims are missing. I do not just want to simply throw them out because they are expensive gaming laptops. One of them is an Asus that's got a 6th gen Intel i7 6700 CPU and a GTX 960M GPU. The other laptop is a Dell that has an Intel i5 520M CPU and an ATI Radeon HD 5650 GPU. Both laptops have a 1TB hard drive which can be swapped out for an SSD. They both have 16 gigs of RAM and an M.2 SSD port. Both of these laptops still have a ton of potential to still shine in today's market. It's not like the internals are very outdated or anything like that. I was talking to my friend about the two gaming laptops and during our conversation he came up with a brilliant idea for these laptops. He challenged me to make a custom DIY gaming laptop from scratch using the working internals. I looked him in his eyes and I said, challenge accepted. I said, let's put money on it. He said, then in bet I got $100 you cannot do it. So then I responded and I said, bet bro, I got $100 that I can do it. And then we shook on it and made the bet official. So join me as I attempt to take on this challenge and try to build a custom DIY gaming laptop from scratch. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not, but this is why they call them challenges. It is supposed to be a challenge. So without further ado, let's talk about the design I came up with. So what I'm thinking of is I want to make the frame out of aluminum extrusions, right? So I'm gonna have 4 2-foot pieces. Come on, focus. I'm gonna have 4 2-foot pieces and then I'm gonna have 4 1-foot pieces and then I'm gonna have 8 of these 90-degree L brackets. So then what I'm gonna do is the 2-foot pieces I'm gonna use as the top and the bottoms of the frame like that, and then the 1-foot pieces I'm gonna use as the sides like that where the pink ones are. And then of course I'm gonna trim them down to the proper sizes you see here, and then I'm gonna connect them all with those 90-degree L brackets all the way around in all 4 corners. And I'm gonna make 2 of these, and those are gonna be the 2 halves because the one's gonna be the top where the screen's gonna go and the other one's gonna be the bottom where the keyboard and the trackpad and the motherboard and all that's gonna go. And then I'm gonna connect them with 2 hinges so that way it folds and closes like a regular laptop. We got the top half and we got the bottom half, and then it's connected with the 2 hinges. You see, that's the whole frame right there. That's what I'm thinking of for the frame. And then if I grab right here, look, it's gonna close and it's gonna open like a legit laptop.
To the straight to the to the to the brain. Straight to the brain. To the brain. Straight to the brain. Straight to the to the brain, brain, brain. To the brain, brain, brain. Straight to the brain, brain, brain. Straight to the
So these are the two frames right here. So now the video that I did have recorded, I actually lost it because my camera decided to mess up, and I actually deleted all of it, the video that I had of me putting all this together. But as you can see, I don't have this corner attached. So all it is the brackets, and there's this little, let me turn it around, you see it? There's this little thing, this little screw or whatever that screws in, and that slides into these channels right here. You see, like, it slides into this channel, and it holds it in nice and secure like that in the corner, so the corners are secure. You see this one? This frame is nice and together and actually held on, you know, like nice and sturdy and nice and strong. So I just gotta finish putting this one together. As you can see, I just wanted to show you that real quick because the footage that I had of me putting these together, I lost it. My camera decided to mess up and it decided to turn off, and I don't know, I even know what happened. Like in the middle of it, like messing up, it deleted all of the footage that I had, so it messed everything up. That is all we are going to be building today because I do not want this video to be too long. Plus I still have to get some more materials and I have to come up with a plan for the back panels and the trim that I have to put around the screen. So make sure you take that like button into the wrestling ring and rock bottom it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss part 2 when it goes live. Let me know what you think about this custom DIY gaming laptop in the comments down below. Do you think I can successfully complete this challenge or not? I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thanks a million for tuning in, fam. Don't forget to give that like button a big old smash, as your support means the world to me. Wishing you all an awesome day or night wherever you are. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.